Welcome, YouTube. We've got a nice surprise here on our front door. Let's take a peek at this real fast, okay? Check that out. That is my new 0 degree underground quilts underquilt. It's the Zeppelin. Let's grab this and take a peek, see what it looks like. So I believe it would have been, shoot, it was July 27th, I believe, when we got it. Anyway, let's set this thing up. Let's have a go with this. Let's see what this looks like. Welcome, YouTube. This is what it looks like. This is what it's shipped as. It's not very big. As you can see on the top of this, clearly says don't use any knives. We're not going to. Just see what this thing looks like. We'll use some fingers here. That's okay. Hopefully you guys up there can see all right. Shaky there. Let's take a peek. Give you a quick look inside. This is how they shipped it. It's inside the stuff sack. Looks like we've got some other goodies. Pull this out for you real quick. So as I said, it's already in the stuff sack that I asked for them to send for me. It's really nice. I can't thank you guys enough. I'll have to show you guys this. Here, come over here. Over here and I'll show you. This is my underquilt setup. I've been testing a bug net. But what happened was, you'll see I've got the plastic little piece right there. I loaned this setup to a friend of mine, and I didn't do a very good job telling his son how to set this up, and he broke the clip when he tried to sit in the underquilt. Underground quilts, you guys make quality gear. I think this should have ripped, and it didn't. The actual carabiner gave out. So I've got these. So Paul, Missy, thank you guys very much. Not too darn bad. Even has a little spot for... Not too darn bad. Even has a little spot for a name, or you can put something on the outside of it, I guess. Label it. Pretty cool. A name, or you can put something on the outside of it, I guess. Label it. Pretty cool. That is phenomenal. Definitely different quality than I had the last time. Ooh, boys and girls, look at this. This is a thing of beauty. Wow, I think I have an order number on it. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's nice blue inside, perfect gray outside. Matches that underquilt, or hammock perfectly. I don't know if you guys can see that. Nice blue inside, perfect gray outside. Matches that underquilt, or hammock perfectly. Excited to string this up. We'll talk later. Thank you guys. Okay, let's go take a peek at this thing set up. I know I keep saying this, but this thing is a thing of beauty. I mean, look at this. These are the clips that I was telling you about in that other video that broke. I lent this to a friend of mine when we went hammock camping. His son was going to sleep in the 20 degree Zeppelin that I have, and I did a bad job of showing him how to get into this. So anyway, I just wanted to show you guys how close this is in color match. I mean, look at that. And then the gray. You guys did a phenomenal job. I do have one quick question. I love the fact that we have the head end here. You got a draft collar. It tells you kind of everything that's in it. The question I have for you, we've done away with our logo. I don't see anything on here that shows me that this is Underground Quilts. You guys make such an awesome product. Anyway, I figured I'd show you this strung up. Thank you guys. Happy hunting.